This is Hannahtown, and today the people have an opportunity to access free health services they otherwise would not have been able to afford. The area is tense because of gang violence, but everyone made an effort to turn out. Of all the offerings, dental services were high in demand. A team from the University of Technology School of Oral Health transformed the space at the Hannahtown Health Center into a dental clinic. They offered cleaning and extraction services, and the heavy demand meant the doctors had to find ways of making do when they didn't have equipment they would normally have.
One of the reasons is that, apart from being expensive, people don't look at it as a priority, as a health issue. If their arm is broken, they will go to work with a broken arm. But if a tooth is broken, they'll still go to work. It is very, very expensive.
The health fair could not have come soon enough for the residents, and not only because the service is expensive otherwise. There's a clinic in Denham Town that also serves Hannahtown, but gang violence between the communities has caused Hannahtown residents to stay away. Akida Smallwood from Hannahtown heard about the health fair and seized the opportunity.
You know, a long time I have my teeth for come out. I'm afraid for growing at them and town. So they're here, so I just make use of the opportunity.
The health fair also helped to bridge the divide between the communities somewhat.
An event of this nature brings some amount of unity among the residents. You know, persons coming together, working together, volunteering in one space, regardless of any issues that they're having before. So you see, it kind of helps in that aspect of the community, and it kind of builds the relationship among the residents and so forth.
The managing director of the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, Omar Sweeney, who partnered with the community to stage a health fair, says it's part of the JSIF strategy to help rebuild depressed communities.
It's about presence. It is about really reintroducing the government and other NGO partners into these communities so that we can really focus on their personal needs that will then take us to really deal with their public needs or the things that we really need to rebuild these communities.
Before going to the Hannahtown Health Center, the dental team went into schools into West Kingston. The findings, not good.
In the school, the situation is very, very bad. Dental education is lacking. And you would say that it's a form of child abuse because there are some children who will have 4 or 5 extractions to be done. And most time when the parents, once the child have a hole in their tooth, they said, oh, the tooth needs to be extracted. No. So we generally educate them first before we do anything.
But from what Ms. Newny says, there is hope.
The College of Oral Health, under the leadership of Dr. Irvin Mackenzie, is trying now. We are in to have a dental hospital.
I'm Kirk Wright for the Ray of Hope.